Who did Nick give it to? Nick.
I can't hold this stuff. I know. Come on.
Anyway. You're probably going to get 0 points for that way, but... It had a little kink in it. I was trying to fix it. Okay, everyone, take notice. Whoa! Look at that face. That was some concentration. That was serious. Who's inside? Oh. So then, since you can already do it, add some style. Oh! There you go. So what else can you do? Oh, she is. She. That's okay. Well, that's all right. Okay. Yeah. She showed she's got some skills. Oh, Natalie. We got the winner right here. Yeah. There you go. Looking around. Oh! 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 Can you do another move? You know any other moves? Can you turn all the way around while you're doing it? Like Nicholas did? Okay. Uh-oh. Well, you did a really good job. Yeah. Good job. Oh, she's going faster. She's going faster. Oh, oh. She's got hula speed.
You go very fast.
Okay, okay, you can stop now. No, there's not a winner yet. I think it's Kira's turn.
I want to go again. Oh, okay.
There's a little... She's got a very calm look. Okay, do you know any moves? Do you want to try a move? Okay. Uh-oh. 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 She's bending the knees. Can you bend the knees again? Oh. 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 It's the hula hoop's fault. Okay.
Only the hula hoop's fault.
Okay. Well, you did a great job. Who's next? Yay! Here we go. It's Emily. On your mark, get set. Oh, oh, oh! But she went big. No, go ahead, go ahead. Try it again. Try it again. Try it again. Oh, that's okay. No, no, no. Who's next? Who's next? Little girl with the puppy head. Are you next? Turn around like you did last time, Nick. Spin around. There you go. There you go, Nick. Turn it around. Nice. What's the little girl with the puppy on her head?
Okay, who is the winner?
You don't. They're exclusive of one another. If you do one, you can't do the other. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Uh-oh. Oh, that's the most relaxed hula hooping. That's smooth hooping. That's the most efficient, least effort hula hooping there is. Okay. Well, good job. Oh, good job. Oh. It wasn't our kids. That's all I'm saying.